So we're in New York on a special mission today. Look, why don't you tell us what we're up to?
So we're basically going to our new secret repair shop at an undisclosed location to set up and make sure everything's good to go.
Amazing. And is this going to be our first US-based servicing facility?
It is indeed our first US-based facility owned by Apollo.
Fantastic. So stay tuned. We're gonna bring the GoPro with us all throughout the day, show you how the place is coming together. You're gonna meet the mechanics, you're gonna meet our manager Peter. Some of you might be familiar with him already, and you're gonna get to see the full extent of the works. Super exciting. Let's take a look at how it's coming along. So here we are. This is almost 2,000 square feet in Brooklyn, New York. We've got our manager, Peter. Peter, say hello. Here we have Sankar as well, who will be one of the mechanics. Nice to meet you, Sankar. And as you can see, there is all kinds of progress happening around the facility. We're setting up shelves, we're setting up tools, and getting the place ready to start doing repairs. Outside the brand new Apollo New York City servicing facility. I'm here with our CTO, Elwa, and he's gonna give us a full tour of this up and coming spot.
We have a prime location, as you can see. It's the first door to your right. It's quite exceptional. This is what the space looks like. So here you're gonna have the incoming area. All the scooters that we're gonna receive are gonna be there. We're also going to be able to store them on those shelves there, and the goal is to be able to have open box. So all the scooters that are being returned and need to be fixed to be able to sell them as refurbished on the website is going to be stored there. And at the back, this is where we're going to have all the spare parts. And we should be able to fit a total of 120 different spare parts. So what it means for you is no more delay waiting for parts, because everything's going to be there as well as in Montreal. And yeah, so still setting up everything. We're going to add better lights, internet, and we're going to be able to open it around March 1st, so it's coming. It's only going to work with appointment, so you need to pass through CS. You cannot just come in and drop your scooter.
And is there like a target turnaround time per repair that we're targeting here?
Around 48 hours, that's the goal.
48 hours.
Yes, for our open box, so being able to receive a scooter, fix it, and list it on the website discounted, and also for all type of repairs. Ideally, this is for like wear and tear stuff, like regular stuff. If a scooter needs to do some diagnostic, it might take longer, but with all the parts that we're gonna have in stock, plus all the employees that's gonna work here, 48 hours seem realistic.
Okay. Sounds good, man. Thank you very much for the overview, and I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's finished.